Are drones trafficking into jails now? What? So I came across this article or this video, right? And I haven't watched it yet, but I saw the headline. I'm like, no, this can't be. It said that they're using drones to drop off contraband. Yes, to drop off contraband into jails for prisoners, right? Let's see what's going on here.
What you're seeing here is real surveillance video of what officials call drone drops. Watch drones operated by organized crime rings flying over prisons, dropping down dangerous contraband. And authorities say drops like these can have a surprising connection to scam calls like this.
Hello, this is Sergeant Christopher with the Potawatomi County Sheriff's Office.
The voicemail sounds normal enough. A man calling an Iowa dentist claiming to be from the local sheriff's office, saying he needs to talk.
I have some legal document that requires your immediate attention. So at your earliest convenience, contact me back.
Even the phone number on the screen shows the caller ID as the local sheriff's office. But in reality,
we were able to trace this all back to a person inside of the Calhoun State Prison in Georgia.
Incredibly, an inmate.
Here we go again. But it just shows how these tools, these devices, they can be used for good or for evil. This is I think this might be the first time that I'm coming across a story, which I'm sure there's plenty, right? But the first time that I'm coming across a story of a drone being used for illegal activities. Because we've covered drones being used for police surveillance, for power line maintenance, and like, you know, you throw up the drone up there, you take a look at the power line, see what needs to be done before you send a human up there. For beach rescues and fires, and we just recently looked for Walmart using it for deliveries. Other companies are going to be looking to use drones for deliveries as well. Now we have organized crime using drones to drop off contraband into jails, and then from inmates making calls to people to try to, you know,
behind bars in a prison more than 1,000 miles away, operating a sophisticated scam using phones delivered by drones, targeting multiple women in healthcare in Iowa and other states, according to records obtained by ABC News.
A lot of these ladies that got scammed, these doctors and nurses throughout Iowa, in a span of 3 days, these guys scammed about $530,000.
What's the scam though? I'm curious to know what the actual scam is. Like, how are they? And if they're in jail, like, where's the money going? And why are they having people like? Why are they dropping the phones in jail to make the phone calls? All right, let's find out.
Scammers telling them they failed to appear in court as expert witnesses and told to pay a fine.
This was a very well-planned scheme. They were able to research people, find out about them, so they knew who to scam, who had money.
The inmate then working with associates on the outside to impersonate law enforcement and meet the women, even providing receipts like this one to collect the money. Authorities say this scam was only possible because of the outside to impersonate law enforcement and meet the women, even providing
4/19/20, April 1920. That, yeah, wow, it goes $25,000. Gee whiz.
receipts like this one to collect the money. Authorities say this scam was only possible because of the escalating threat. Drones dropping contraband into prison yards.
It could be anywhere from tobacco, cell phones, drugs, tools.
It's a criminal operation that is increasingly putting authorities on the defensive.
We're under attack every single day when it comes to combating this issue.
In Georgia, 71 drone incidents just last month, the most ever. And just this week in South Carolina, a drone even delivering steak and crab leg with drugs to one prison yard. In that same state, one inmate escaping from a maximum security prison using wire cutters. Authorities say were dropped.
Did they just say steak and crab legs? Did they just say steak and crab legs? Oh my God. Steak and crab legs. I'm guessing the steak had to be cooked. They put it like, did they already slice it up and put it in a bowl, and then they just dropped it into the jail? And who was it for? And how do they know they're going to be available to get it? I have a lot of questions about this drone drop thing, but especially like, because I was like, oh, that's cool. And then I heard the steak and crab. I'm like, all right, something is up here. Something is up. Steak and crab legs
in by a drone.
It is a serious, evolving, and not an imminent threat. It is immediate. We are in the throes of it right now.
Now, the FAA considers drones registered aircraft, which means prison officers.
And if they're dropping steak and crab legs and they're dropping tools and tobacco, drugs, that means they're also dropping in weapons. Because you could easily drop in you can drop in just about any size firearm in there. Knives, firearms, ammunition. They're dropping like there's no limit to what you can't deliver. Because if you can deliver I don't know how, depending on the size of the drone, right? You can probably handle about maybe 2 to 3 pounds. Would you say, Junior? 2 to 3 pounds. So you can definitely drop in a firearm in there, or you can drop in like the firearm first, and then follow, and subsequently you drop off the ammunition, right? That is crazy.
Officers can only stand by and watch. Most authorities cannot shoot them down, but a solution could be on the horizon, guys. In coming weeks, Congress expected to pass legislation that will give correctional facilities the authority to counter these drones. I'll say it takes a lot to surprise me.
But this one sure did.
This one really did.
You never would have expected this for drones. Exactly. Deliveries to homes, but not prisons.
I know, that video is crazy.
Yeah. Wow.
That story.
But why not though? Why would you not expect it though? Like, it wasn't on my radar, but it doesn't surprise me, because the same way, you see, and this is the problem, right? With what she said, I never would have expected this. Why not? Because a delivery is a delivery is a delivery. Whether you're delivering to a home, to a business, to a prison, people. And I'll tell you this was probably underway before people had even thought about delivering to, like, because who delivers to homes and stuff like that? Businesses, right? So criminals always have a leg up. They're always the Walmart and Amazon and all these places probably thought about, hey, we could use drones for delivery for our products the same way that they are using drones to deliver into prisons. So that's probably where they got the idea from. It's simple as that. I'm not surprised by this at all. This doesn't surprise me one bit. All right, and they can't shoot the drones down, so their only option is try to intercept these like the contraband that's being dropped in. However, could you do a battle drone though? Like, can you have a counter drone where you don't shoot it but you crash it? Can you crash the drone? Have you guys ever seen like these drone battles, these drone wars? Let me see if I can find it. Let's see if we could do battle drones. If we could find that. Not those. Let me see. They have like, or maybe it's not a battle drone. Maybe it's the racing drones. Let me see. Because I've seen some people flying some drones like really, really fast and stuff like that. Let's take a look at this one. So let's take a look at this one real quick. Share, copy. And now I'm going to use my app, my plugin. Drop that in here, fetch. So if we look at this real quick, right? Shoot, go to here.
Drone racing has everything that makes pro sports a big business. The competition.
Halo Walker gets the win!
the fans.
Absolutely incredible.
The excitement.
Let's go!
Even a little trash talk.
You know what time it is? It's Granny time, baby! Woo!
One of you is going to beat the other one pretty mercilessly, huh?
Yeah, I mean, he's going to get worked, so we know how it's going to go.
Vanover and Halo Walker are two of drone racing's biggest stars.
So all to say, could they at least like try to crash the drones? Could they crash it? I don't know. You can't shoot them down, but can they crash
think
it?
the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Muscle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My job is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never come fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, white across the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Work didn't change, but the mind stayed with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted a seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do this for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping. Then I'm copping, only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burner was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.